Hey guys, it's Friday, June the 30th. Hope everybody's had a good week trading, making money, learning. That's the main thing. You never quit learning. Uh, we'll go through these kind of quick, the currencies. Remember, everybody, on Tuesday is July 4th here in the U.S. We have the holiday, so the banks will be closed. So I won't have a video on Tuesday. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. So we're going to start with the pound and dollar. Remember yesterday in the video I showed the 1 hour had a sell signal. You had a chance to get in several times, and now it's made a big run up. It should have taken some off and moved your stop up, and you should have money on the pound dollar. The 4 hour should have a buy too. Oh, it didn't, but it did make a retrace up. Did it come back in? Let's see if it did. No, it didn't come back down to where it broke out. It did kind of too. Yeah, it did. Retracement there. On the 1 hour. Aussie dollar. 1 hour. Remember, we talked about that too yesterday, that there was a buy signal in there. You had an opportunity there, and there you go. So again, you should have, if you took that trade, you should have taken, half, quarter, third, whatever you're comfortable with, off and move your stops up. Or you may want to close it for the weekend, That's on the Aussie dollar 1 hour. The 4 hour had a buy also. There's your little poke downs right there, and now they move up. So both of those were in agreement. Euro CAD, there was, on the 1 hour there was no buy, but there has been a retrace back up. It's still in sell. It says sell mode. You had a chance to get in there, had another chance to get in there, made a big move, and it's trying to push back up. But there was no buy signal there. It's just a retrace on the 1 hour. The 4 hour still in sell mode. It came up to there, you had a chance to sell. It's come back up in here. You may have another chance to sell. That's a big candle though. May just be retracing that buy on the 4 hour. Euro CAD. CAD yen is in sell mode, kind of gone sideways, went up yesterday, come down, not really going anywhere. We'll see what the 4 hour looks like. The sell came back up there where the sell was. See on the 4 hour, see they came back to it for the sell. And now you would be in some money on that one if you took the sales when it came up here. So the 1 hour and the 4 hour were in agreement on the sales on the CAD yen. The odd yen, remember we talked about the buy yesterday. It came down, there was a perfect, oh my goodness, hope y'all got that one. Low risk trade, very low risk for the reward that you got on the 1 hour. Big huge move. See, we talked about these yesterday. Go back and look at these videos, prior days. See where these things are at. The 4 hour is still in sell, has not made a buy signal yet, so this could be just a retrace up a little bit more before it sells off again, because there's no buy signal yet. That's on the odd yen. Pound Aussie was in a 1 hour sell, made no buy signal. It looks like it's fixing to come down some more. I'm looking for a run up to there though. The 4 hour still in the sell, so those are in agreement on the sell side. Still looking for a little run up into here somewhere for a better sale. Hopefully next week. Excuse me. That was the pound odd. Pound CAD 1 hour did not make a buy signal, but it has made a sell signal on the 1 hour. But it just came back down into support and ran back up on the 1 hour. There's your 1 hour sell signal. You've had a couple opportunities to get in short. You're up a little bit on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is still in a sell, so that's a retrace. Retrace, another retrace. So both of those are showing the same thing. Sales on 1 hour and 4 hour on the pound CAD. The pound yen made a sell signal on the 1 hour after a big run up. And let's see if we, no, we didn't either. So so that was your only chance to get in right there, really, on the 1 hour. Let's see if the 4 hour has a sale. It should. That's only 3 hours. Yep, it's made a 4 hour sale, you know, just 38 minutes ago. So is it going to sell off from here? That's a low risk trade if you want to sell it. That candle's your stop. On the pound yen. Euro New Zealand 1 hour still in a sell. Made a good sell off, but it's due a retracement. Hasn't really done much of a retracement, so it's due one, and it could be right down in here somewhere it comes to before that happens. So I'm looking for a buy next week on the Euro New Zealand. The 4 hour is in a sell. Now on the 4 hour you did have a couple opportunities here and here to get in short. So both of those agree. The 1 hour and the 4 hour agree on the sell. But again, this is support down in here. So it may just come down into there and then it gets a retrace back up on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand is probably going to look the same way, is my guess. Yep, there's your 1 hour sell. It's coming down slowly. I'm looking for a retrace back up into here though, for a better sell opportunity, low risk sell. The 4 hour on the pound New Zealand is in a sell too. Same thing. So both of those in agreement on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen 1 hour. There was no buy signal. This has been a retrace. Let's see. It's retraced up to there and it's retraced back up into here where it fell. So it could be a sell-off coming on the New Zealand yen. On the 1 hour, 4 hour, see how it's coming back up into here? This is what I'd like to see, somewhere up in here, and then it sell off. But it has made a retrace up in there. So the 1 hour and the 4 hour agree on sales right now. The Euro Yen 1 hour still in a sell. It came down, spiked up in here, there, and there. You've had all opportunities to get in. on the 1 hour sale on the euro yen. The 4 hour is in sell mode too. There was your opportunities too right there to get in, and another one right there. Just hadn't gone real far. If you got in there, you got some money, you got it locked in. That was on the euro yen. So both of those in agreement, 1 hour and 4 hour on sales. Euro odd still in the sale. Hasn't really had much of a retracement. Just had that one where I had an opportunity to sell. Look at that. There's the signal. There's the poke up. Low risk trade. So I'll show you. This was the high of this was 165.38. The high 165. No, that can't be right. That's 42. 165.43. So this has got to be higher. 53. So $10 risk. $10 per one lot that you wanted to do. If you done full, if you done two, it'd be a $20 risk. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Good move. And the 4 hour should be a sell too, so both of those in agreement. But there's going to be a retrace on this. See, there's the 4, and it could be getting close to it now. Because the 1 hour and 4 hour agree on the sales, but there hasn't really been much of a retrace. There could be a little bit more sell coming, and then the bounce up. So that could be next week, euro odd buy opportunity. Gotta keep an eye on that. So that's everything, guys. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Hope you've made money this week. More importantly, I hope that you've learned from me and the education that I put out here for free. And if you would, just please click the like and subscribe button for me. Just lets me know that there's people out there interested and they're getting good information from me. Because it doesn't take but a second to do that. You're not obligated for anything when you hit the click and subscribe. It's not like I get your email address or anything where you're going to get crap email sent to you. It doesn't do that. So we hope to see you guys on Monday and have a video on Monday. The market closes early, I think 1 or 2 o'clock on Monday here in the U.S. because the Tuesday is a holiday, so the banks will be closed. So I won't have a video on Tuesday. Hope to have one on Monday. You may be kind of slow though with again it closing early, but I'll keep an eye out on it. So we will see you guys next week.